Good morning. Today is Tuesday, October 10, 2017, and we're doing the morning business headline commentary. All right, let's look at the headlines. Looks like a board member trying to be a board member pouts of want to join the board of P&G and was knocked out of it. All right, so not much consequences of that. Just get another board member. Alright, another North Korean news of hacking into the allies. Alright. Now it's Google's turn to unearth Russia influence in the ads. And I don't think this is much of significance because nobody really sees the Google ads that much. Alright, crude oil back up to over $50 to 50.83. The realization of my previous comment, it went below 50. Now it's overall the long trend will be a little bit downwards. Gold going up to $12.95, not bad. Treasury at 2.324 to 10-year. The euro 69 pips at 1.18, going back to normalcy. Yen still at 112. Normalcy is usually around 115. You see heng seng is going up and down, capitulating a little bit around this area. Since I mentioned before, they're trying to approach 30,000, may not quite get it as as it moves about. So the U.S. stocks up 41 points nicely. Okay, so this is the magnitude of the rises have to be tempered because it's at the record territory. Either it goes down terribly big and then come back up, at the same magnitude. That's how it will go. All right, today's one day after the Monday's holiday of the Columbus Day. IKEA is testing selling products via third-party websites. That's interesting. If they give out good commissions on that. Alright, with all these new satellites being sent to this in space, it's pretty interesting. Actually, Japan has a space program now. Not bad. Alright, let's see something else. Walmart is at a war with Amazon. Walmart still has time to correct its ship in the correction to fixing itself against Amazon. So that's not bad. Walmart has aligned itself with Google, so that's an exceptionally good move. Pfizer wastes $15 billion sale of consumer healthcare business. Yeah, Pfizer have a lot of drugs in the pipeline, so they can focus on that. So Walmart is announcing $20 billion buyback on its stocks to keep it floating and rising. nvidia unveils next generation platform for future autonomous cars. Well, this could be just like headline grabbing kind of thing, because next generation, what features are you offering that's not existing right now? Autonomous cars is heavily dependent on the sensors and the processing of these sensor information to make determination on what to do with the car. So if it processes faster in parallel processing, that may be okay. The reason they may use GPUs is because they need parallel processing of this sensor imagery information that can be, laser related, picture related, graphics related, infrared related, stuff like that. Alright, protocol and talks with Tesla for batteries. Well, Tesla should be careful because it's answerable to the shareholder who are investing into the company. If Puerto Rico is not paying you, you better watch out. Most likely they won't be paying you, Tesla. Alright, so today's a little bit brief because it's one day after the federal holiday of the Columbus Day in the United States. Something of note, more recently, Ford Motor Companies had a same-day rapid response to my commentary where I explained to my followers that in order for car companies to survive in the future, you need to have an EV or a hybrid in your lineup. And almost on the same day, Ford Motor Company responded by shifting its resources into bigger trucks, cars, and EV. So there you have it. India's Modi went for a big hit on Amazon after I featured Amazon in one of my videos dedicated to talking about Amazon last year. Also, McDonald's, after I featured them in my videos, is now at an all-time high. And more recently, the company called Funimation that owns Dragon Ball has become a takeover target. And I have featured Goku and Gohan of Dragon Ball in my eating videos listed below, cooking demos. Alright, so there you have it. I have Indian followers and I also have savvy Chinese business followers. A couple of months ago, maybe half a year ago, my followers decided to buy out Germany's robotic firm to build cars using robotics. After I featured these robotic arms in my supercar videos listed below. Yes, there you have it. I have Indian followers. I have savvy business, Chinese business followers, and I do make sometimes actionable commentaries. And also, if you're interested, I have set up a private email group due to a suggestion of my followers, where I go in more in-depth analysis and in-depth commentary, more actionable than what's presented right here. Alright, today's Tuesday, October 10th, 2017, and we're doing the morning business headline commentary. Happy trading.